I'm going to ask the AI the same question but in two different ways, and you will see something shocking. We got the output as the great Gatsby, La La Land, The Shape of the Water, Moonlight. So now I will modify my prompt. This answer completely changes just based on how I ask. This is called as prompt engineering and it's one of the most powerful skill with AI. In this video, we are not using paid APIs. We are using the free local model called TinyLlama. If you haven't installed it yet, then go back to video 2 where we set up everything. And if you want to use OpenAI instead, then refer video 4. Prompt engineering simply means how you ask questions to AI. Think of it like this. If you ask a teacher, explain physics, you will get confusing answer. But if you ask, explain physics like I am 10 years old using example, this answer becomes simple. Same goes with AI. Better questions will give you the better answers. Now let's set up the simple TinyLlama install this command. Now let's start with the code by installing transformers. For this, open the terminal. Now let's go back to the code. Over here in the projects folder, create a new file named prompt engineering. Let's import pipeline from transformer that loads ready to use AI model. Let's initialize the pipeline with the model of AI what we are using, okay? Now let's generate the response. And then let's print the response. So this model is basically it's a lightweight model and now we are setting the long answer limit that is max new tokens. So the error is unknown task text generator. Okay, my bad. It should be generation. Okay, perfect. Let's run and check again. As this is a tiny model, the response might take some time, so you need to wait for it, okay? Before running the code, you should start the Olama server, then only you will be getting the output. So let's do that. So for that, you need to go to terminal, open a new terminal, and then start the server. So once the server starts, go back to your code and run it. Okay, so we got the output as explain AI's impact on the automotive industry. AI has a significant impact on the automotive industry by improving vehicle safety, reduce fuel consumption, and enhancing driving experience. Okay, so now over here, explain AI. This prompt is too vague. So that's the reason it will give you the generic answer. Now let's try writing the better prompt. Let's run this and check. Okay, so now here we got explain AI to the 10 years old using examples. AI can also help in predicting the future. It can create futuristic pictures, maps, and even projections of the future. AI can also track and analyze large amount of data in real time to protect and prevent crisis. Example 1, suppose you want to predict the weather. AI can use data from weather stations around the world and predict the weather for the next few days. Now here the response whatever is being generated is better than before because of the better prompts. Let's make it more better, like an advanced prompt. Now here's the output. Uh, Hey, I'm happy to teach you about AI. AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. AI is computer ability to learn and think like a human. It is a technology that helps computer perform tasks that normally requires human intelligence. So see, this is how it generates the better response based on what prompt you're giving. So next time, be careful with that. Now we are controlling tone, length, style, and audience. There are different types of prompt patterns. You can do a role prompting. For example, you are a doctor. The second one is format prompting. It's like give the answer in a bullet points. Constraint prompting, like answer in 3 lines. Likewise, we did it over here. The next one is step by step. It will explain you everything step by step. Let's modify this code into an interactive version. This is our prompt. Let's modify the generator. We'll set the maximum new tokens to be around 150. I'll go with the same question, that is explain physics, the previous example. Let's try it with the different prompts and see how the output is generating. Okay, we got like your helpful assistant. Okay, this is the question. The answer goes like physics is a branch of science that deals with the law of nature and behavior of matter and energy. It involves the study of behavior. Okay, it gave along with the example. Okay, this is cool. So let's try it in a different way. If you want, you can decide the tokens here. If you want, you can increase the size of the tokens too. Let me change it to 250. Okay, so here it's just like I don't know what a wave-like object is, but I knew it's not a boat. Give a short story about a boat and an object. Okay, so boat is not a wave-like object. A boat is a solid object made of water and floats on water. A wave-like object is an object that changes its shape and motion over time. For example, so now this is explaining physics along with the story so that 10 years old can understand what physics is. Now you know how to control AI using different prompts. But what if you want your AI to answer based on your documents? That's where the real magic begins. In the next video, we will build a system where AI will answer the questions based on your files and documents. This is called as RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe the channel so that you don't miss any updates. If you like this video and you want your friend to learn LLM course for free, then do like and share. Thank you.